Hello friends, welcome to Knowledge World. Friends, today I have come up with a very beautiful custom keyboard for mobile. If you have a smartphone, then I'm going to show you how you can download and use a custom keyboard, beautiful looking custom keyboard, which you can change the look and the style of your keyboard every time you want. Let me show you how it will look like. You see my keyboard, it's in red. Let me show you if I can change right now this keyboard. Okay, I can. You see my keyboard got changed. So if you're also looking for this type of keyboard, then watch this video till the end, because not I'm going to show you which is the application, but also I'm going to show you how you can use this keyboard. Complete tutorial about this keyboard you will be getting. So stay tuned with me, okay, and let's get started. At first you need to go to the Play Store. So let's open Play Store, and once the Play Store is open, type on the search bar Swift, SWIFT, Swift keyboard. As you can see here, the search result Swift keyboard, this one you need to select. Okay, so I have selected that. Now this is the Swift keyboard. As you can see here, 100 millions download, right, and 4.5 ratings. It's a very beautiful app for customizing your mobile keyboard. Okay, and you can see the icons. Don't download any other keyboard or any other application. Just take a look on the icons, how it looks like, and the top of the header. Okay, now as I have already downloaded, that's why it's asking me to update. Once you come to this Play Store and try to download, you will get the download option. So just download it, and then I'm going to show you how you're gonna use this one. Okay, so I will open up the Swift keyboard. Okay, once I open the Swift keyboard, it looks like this. Okay, so first it has a language, right? Select the language as per your preference. Okay, then go back. Now it has a theme option. So you see the theme, select the theme. Once you select the theme, here you will get lots of theme. Maybe when you come down to theme first time, you will not see all these same uh, theme, maybe. So what you have to do is that you first of all you need to download the theme one by one, so that you can use it later on. You can change it without any internet connection, or by just clicking selecting you can change your keyboard like I did. Okay, and I have done it. So I have downloaded the keyboard, almost all of them. So that's why if I want to change my keyboard by just selecting like this, I can simply go ahead and I can change the keyboard, any keyboard I want. I just need to click on that, and the keyboard will be keep changing, right? So you can also change like this if you want, but make sure that first time you have downloaded the keyboard. Okay, then only it will be possible. Okay, so okay, now let's go back to the other option. So I'm going back from theme now. Now you see typing option here, the typing option, this one. So in the typing option, if you select, you will get many other features like keys. What is keys? Let's click on this one. It has lots of other options, features that I will be showing you one by one. Then first, let me show you the number one. It says number row, right? This one, it says number row. So if I enable number row, what happened, you can see the numbers has come up here highlighted, right? But what if I disable it, then it will be gone, that number row. Okay, same thing if I select the dedicated emoji key. If I select this one, you will see here there's a key has come up with a smiley for the emojis. Okay, so if I click on this one, I will get all kind of emojis here. So that's a shortcut for emojis. Okay, if you want, you make it enable. If you don't want, just simply disable it and that will be gone. Okay, all right. So okay, now let's move to the other one. It says emoji access on enter key. So the enter key we have with the arrow, this one, you can access emoji in this enter key also. Okay, so you can, I have already enabled this. That's why if I hold the enter key, I can get the emoji from here also. Okay, that's why I have not enabled dedicated emoji options. I have enabled the emoji access on the enter key option. Now the arrow keys. What is arrow keys? Let me show you. As you can see here, I don't have any arrow at the bottom. So if I select this options which says arrow keys, then as you can see here, a bar has come up with left, you know, top, up, down, left, right options. So it's for this keyboard. Now if you enable this, you can move to any word or key by holding the keys or up and down and left and right arrow key. Lots of people use this one. What is number pad? It's showing about the number pad here. As you can see, the number pad option, right? So what is number pad option exactly? As I can see here in the keyboard, I have 1, 2, 3 options, right? So if I click on this 1, 2, 3 options, you can see the number keyboard is on the right side, right? But if I enable this one number keyboard, it goes to the other side, left hand side, the number keyboard. So it's for that feature. It's really not required. I don't need this. Okay, key pops. What happened if I am typing right now? It's not really showing that which key I am, typing. But if you enable this key pop-up option, now if you type anything, you see it's jumping with a bold letter. It's highlighted the particular keyboard you are typing. It's reflecting. So it's for that option. Okay, if you want to see, like, which you have typed, if you have not make any mistake while typing, so it shows the same time what you are typing. It's for that. I don't need this one. If you want, you can go for it. Okay, all right, go back from keys. Now if you come to the size option, you can size your keyboard style, look and style. At the bottom, the first one is very small, the second one is bigger, third one is more bigger, fourth one is more bigger, is larger, right? So I like the first one, or maybe second one is standard. Okay, now go back, size, type. In this options, I would like to show you a very interesting thing. If you don't want to type something, then here you can, by swapping your finger or sliding your finger on this keyboard, you can type. So let's say I want to type how are you. I will just do this, how are you today, and as you can see, it's typed. So only by sliding you can do this. This is a great feature in Swift keyboard I have found. I don't need to type. If I'm simply wanna quickly send some message, I'm busy, I'm coming late, I will be late, whatever. You can simply slide and you can type. Okay, so you can use this features here and enable it. It normally comes with enable and sound and vibration. You can change the typing sound here. It has a few sounds: modern, Android, tradition, wave. So you can check this sound, and here is the key vibration. Keep it 31 or above if you need the feeling, vibration feeling. If you don't need, keep it below 30. You will not get the vibration feeling. Okay, so these are the cool features of Swift keyboard that I wanted to share with you guys. So start using it now, download it, and get a better experience of Swift keyboard. and change your look and style of your keyboard, and you can also impress your friends by using this. And share this video with your friends and family, and please subscribe the channel to getting more update to know about tech science and technology. Subscribe the channel, like and share, and thanks for watching guys. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.